Hello everyone and welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show how to use custom color on Microsoft Word easily. So first of all, I'm going to Microsoft Word and I'm typing some words. Okay, just making it a little bit more bigger and making it a little bigger. Okay, and also typing Joseph IT. Okay, now I just want these writings to be colored as this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply use our software app called Pixie. It is only 11 KB in size. Simply download it from the web. And what I need to do right now, as I'm hovering on the colors are being changed. As you can see, the color is this, and the RGB code, the code that we need is RGB. As you can see on the screen, 43, 87 and 154. This code we are going to use this custom color. So where I'm going, I'm just going to this color, more colors and custom. There you have to input the values from there. Again, I'm going to the colors. The colors are 43, 87, 43, 87, and the last one was 154, and this is the exact color that I wanted. Okay, and this color and this color is the same one, okay, by the code. And now the second one, I want this writing to be colored as this one. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this color. So what I am going to do, I'm just again going to memorize the codes. The codes are 237, 200 and 126. Again, going to colors, more colors, and then custom. The colors was 237, 200, 237, then 200, and the last one was 126. And the color is this, and clicking on OK. And both the writings are in the color that I wanted from the custom color. And by this way, you can color any writing, anything you wish on Microsoft Word easily with the help of this awesome and small software called Pixie. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.